There are several ways to add absences in Quinyx. You'll be notified if a team member has sent a leave application on the dashboard. If we go into the schedule, we can see that leaves are marked in black and leave applications are visible in gray. You're also notified in the Shift Notification Center of any leave applications. You can handle these leave applications by clicking in either place. Once I click in, you can see any time tracker balances you've set up in the system. For example, I can see if she has enough vacation left in order for me to grant this request. If you use our absence schedule functionality, you can choose your absence schedule from the drop-down. Then we select what should happen with the underlying shifts in the period the team member will be absent. You can make the same selection for all of the shifts in the period or choose shift by shift and save it. A notification will go back to the person that her leave request has been granted. If you need to manually add an absence, you can go straight to the shift. For example, here we have a punch missing. This person was sick on this day and I want to add an absence. I click on the shift, I go to More Options, scroll down and add an absence. Same thing here, I select the absence type and scroll down and choose what's going to happen to the underlying shift and save. You can also add a part-time absence if you wanted to split the shifts. If, for example, a team member is out for half days. If I go into the first shift in the period, scroll down, add an absence, choose my leave type, and then we have here part-time absence. If it's truly part-time, that would be 50%. And then we need to tell the system what should happen with the underlying shifts in that period. Well, I want to unassign the last part and have this person work the first half of the shifts. And I save it, and I'm done.